Hello everyone, I'm Mushtaq Hussain. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Jitsi Meet, which includes how to schedule a meeting on Jitsi, what are the features of Jitsi, and how to use those features. So let's begin. So first of all, log on to jitsi.org/jitsi-meet/. After that, you will be on this page where you can see some information about Jitsi. You find docs, you find projects of Jitsi, blogs written, community about Jitsi, and maybe you can download their apps for your tabs and mobile phones. Now, if you look at some features of Jitsi, so what you can do is you can share your desktop, presentation, and more. Then you can invite users to a conference via a simple custom URL. So first of all, let's start a call. Let's start a meeting. So you need to click on to start a call. After this, you need to start a new meeting. So maybe you can name your meeting. So here I type a weekly team meeting. Then click on to go. Now it will take you to the main screen of Jitsi. So here you can see. Now if you look at this, so we can see some features on the screen. Now we shall discuss all these features one by one. Now the first one is you can share your screen. Now as we have discussed in some other alternatives to Jitsi, so we can share our desktop. So here you can see the options. So you can share your entire screen, you can share your application window, or you can share your Chrome tab. So this is how you can select any one of them and you can share it. After that, if you want to raise your hand, you can raise your hand. Now once you are done with your question or once your question is answered, then again you can lower your hand. Then if you can open the chat, you can close the chat. So these three options we have over here. Now let's move on to this part. Now here this is of mic, so you can mute or unmute yourself. Then this is to leave the meeting or cancel the call, and this is to start or stop the camera. Now if you click on to these drop down buttons over here, so you can select the select some more options as far as your audio, I mean mic and video is concerned or camera is concerned. Now let's see what we have over here. Now if you look at the quality of this video, it is of high definition video quality. Now you can see it's you. Then here you can see the connection quality, so it is good. After that, now if you want to hide this part, so you can simply click on to this button. So yeah, so it will disappear. Now let's see, I mean what other options we have in Jitsi. So if you click on to toggle tile view, then you will get tiled view of your screen. Then you can share link and dial in info for this meeting. So you can just click on to that meeting ID or meeting link and you can share with the rest of the participants. Now we have a number of options over here under more actions. Now this is you or this is the presenter. Then manage video quality, so maybe you can change the quality of your video. You can convert your screen into full screen. Then you can start live stream. So how to do that? So actually you can live stream on YouTube. So if you click on to this, then it will ask you to enter your YouTube live stream key here. So once you enter, then you can start live stream. So that can be done. After that, we have start recording, so you can record your meeting. So we have this option in some other alternatives to Jitsi too. Then you can share a YouTube video. So for example, if you have any YouTube video and if you have saved it, then even you can share it. So let me just demonstrate one video. So here I am going to share one YouTube video which I recorded this morning. So hello everyone. I'm Mushtaq Hussain. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet. So first of all, log on to meet.google.com. So once you log on to meet.google.com, you can see these couple of options over here. So this is how you can share your video. Now if you want to stop sharing your YouTube video, you can again click on to stop YouTube video and you can click on to remove. So this is how you can remove the video which you were sharing before. Then now this is very interesting feature of Jitsi, like you can blur your background. So just click on to this. Now your background will be blurred. Now you can see very clear image of yours. So this is how you can use this option. Now again I disable it. Then next option is setting. Now in setting, so you can see you have some setting in camera, then microphone and audio output. So if you think that the current setting is not appropriate, so maybe you can change it. Then you can write your profile or change your profile, or maybe write something about your profile. For example, I write my name here. Then if you want to add your email address or set your Gravatar email, then you can add it and say OK. Then we have got mute everyone. So if you want to mute everyone, so you can mute everyone. Then in setting, let me show you one more feature. So we have discussed devices, then profile, then calendar. So what you can do is you can create this meeting and you can record it in your Google Calendar. So what you need to do is you need to sign in with Google. So just connect with Google, and this is how you can access your Google Calendar. Then more options. So these options are for the moderator. So for example, if you want everyone to start muted, so you can click on to everyone starts muted, everyone starts hidden, everyone follows me. So for example, if you select this option, everyone starts muted, and if you are allowing someone to speak, then again you can unmute that person. So this is what you can do, and again click on to OK. Then apart from this, we have got languages too. So you can select your own language for the meeting. So this is what we have in setting. Now after setting, let's see what do we have. After setting, you can mute everyone. Then speaker stats, so you can see the statistics of the speaker. Then you can view the shortcuts. So these are the options we have. Now this option, we have to share the link with the participants. So I found it very interesting. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.